crackers for my roasted garlic dip. I'm tossing in these guys, my elephant garlic. I'm just gonna roast these, and they come in a perfect natural container. So I don't need to do anything to them. I love that one. So I toss those in the same oven for about the same time, 30 minutes. And when they're squishy and pliable and soft, guess what? They're already ready already. So this is the same dough I used for my calzones. So I'm going to run it through my pasta roller, not just for pasta anymore. Then I'm gonna give it a brush with some egg wash and then top it with some grated Asiago cheese, a little cheesy stuff, and just for fun, a little cayenne pepper. So I'm whipping together my little topper. So if you like to be super spicy, be super spicy. If not, hey, if you want to use Parmesan cheese, since we used it in our filling, go ahead and knock yourself out as well. I just like that salty, crunchy, spicy kind of stuff on the top of my my cracker. So my little dough balls have been rising. I'm gonna just give them a little flatten out, and I'm gonna run them through my pasta roller so they get really long and thin, probably about 1/8 of an inch or so. I start at number 1, and I'm gonna go to probably 6 or 7. All right, so my last pass, look at this. Nice thin dough, and it's gonna make a nice crispy, crunchy cracker. Good stuff. All right, so I'm just gonna lay this out on my board. I'm gonna cut it into a manageable length. Give it a little brush with some egg wash, just so my cheese and pepper will stick to it. Grab a landing place for these and a little sprinkle. Oh yeah, just so this sticks. We like sticky stuff. This Asiago and cayenne is gonna be great with the garlic. So I'm just gonna cut them into triangles. Look at those little cuties. Onto our tray, and when my garlic and calzones come out of the oven, I'm gonna pop these guys into the same 350-degree oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. So I'm just gonna get these on the tray. Now, you know what? If you have these left over, toss them in an airtight container, and they're good for other stuff, or they're just good to munch. So I'm gonna get these in the oven, and I'm just finishing up my roasted garlic dip. I had a couple bulbs of elephant garlic, big, huge bulbs of garlic. I tossed them in the oven with nothing. I'm getting these a little pulsed up. I roasted them for about 30 minutes till they're soft, and then I'm gonna add some yummy flavor to this. So I'm gonna add, of course, some salt. Why? Because it makes things taste yummy. And I'm gonna add a little cheesy stuff. Why? Because it's delicious and I like it. And we put these on our crackers, which are just about to come out of the oven. So our crackers, we use the same dough as we did for our calzones, our little calzone party happening around here today. I rolled them through a pasta machine. I brushed it with a little egg wash and then put a little Asiago cheese and cayenne pepper on there. So now we're just making this sort of dippy. So I'm adding a little oil. If you like it a little looser or a little thicker, you know, you can be the judge of that. Let's see what we got going on there. One more little drop. All right, that is looking good. So I'm gonna grab a little spatula, a little rubber spat, and let's give a rub down and let's taste it. Let's see where we're at with this. It smells delicious. The roasted garlic smells like really nutty and, oh yeah, baby. That's good. It's amazing. It's far more mild than it actually smells. And because we used elephant garlic, that is also a very mild garlic. So really good. And actually, garlic in general, very good for you. Hello, cutie little crackers. So look at my little crackers. I cut these out. And I sprinkle them with cheese and cayenne, and they smell cheesy and cayenne-y. So I'm just gonna let them hang out back in there. And I'm gonna get dipping. I'm gonna try these guys right now. So I have a little vessel. I have a little place to put that. Let's go ahead and plate these. Look at this. It's amazing that that is just garlic, right? Who knew? Alrighty. So look at how cute that is. My little crackers, they're super crunchy and cutie and delicious. Love it. So we made a lot of these. So you can replenish with all your garlic, or you can save them for the next time you do this, or just to eat. Oh, Good stuff. Really hugely flavored, very simple ingredients, and really creative and thoughtful as well.